Okay, let's try this log and reflection problem here. First, they give you that this is g of x, this picture here, and that g of x is the log of x to base a, where a is a positive real number, and they want you to figure out what a is. Well, they've given you a point, and they've given you an equation. You just have to take that point and substitute it into the equation. The y value is -2, so instead of g of x or y, you put -2. And instead of x, you put 9/4. That's your first step. Okay, the next step, we're going to put this in exponential form. We're going to take a, that's the base. The log is an exponent. We raise it to that exponent, and it equals 9/4. Now we're going to take this 9/4 and put it in exponential kind of form too, 3 squared and 2 squared. We'd like to figure out what a is. So if we take -2 and raise it to the -1/2 power, -1/2 times -2, that'll give us a. So here's a. It's just a little bit weird because 2 times -1/2 is -1, and there's a 2, that's -1, so it's 3/2 to the -1. And what does that mean? It means take the invert. It means invert it. Take it up, turn it upside down. So that means a is 2/3. That means our function is really the log of x to base 2/3. Well, there's the function g. Now they want you to find h, which would be a reflection in the x-axis. Well, if you know the map for reflection in the x-axis, all you do is you take the y value and you make it negative. So that's all you do with this function. See this g of x? That's y. Just make it negative. And so that's negative, but then multiply both sides by it, by -1, and you get y equals the negative of the log of x to base 2/3. I think you can leave it in that form. There's other ways you could write this, but that is the reflection of g. That's h of x. The reflection of g in the x-axis, because I just made y negative. There you go.